Okay, so today we took Bun Buns on his first ever trip to somewhere. It was Tractor Supply. This video is not sponsored. And so we made some shorts. By the time you watch this video, they'll be posted on my YouTube channel. Bun Buns got a little lollipop today and this little star. I don't know what it's for. All I know is this lollipop is for eating. Oh, you know, go over to that other video where we got him a rock, and this kind of does the same purpose, but he hated that. Sir, Pancakes on Bun Bun, what do you think? Mommy, I'm gonna open up his lollipop, okay?
Okay, give it to him.
Now I have to get this string off. Can you get the string off? There. Okay. Bun Bun, what do you think? Not a hit. So, Bun Bun, do you want these? I'm gonna go ahead and open it for him. Ugh. Plastic to where Bun Bun can't get to it. Ugh. Oh, it's so dusty.
Then watch it. Don't get it all over the couch.
Okay, Bun Bun. Is this a hit? Oh, it kind of looks like it's a hit. I think it's a hit. It's not a hit. Make sure to subscribe, like, and subscribe. Bye-bye.